Hello, my name is Jose Luis Guancha. I am 27 years old. I am a telecommunication technician at a company in Sogamoso City. My marital status is single. I am a kid person. I like to play guitar, play football with my friends, watch series and movies in my spare time, and cook. I like with my pet is is me. I am from Pamplona, north of Santander, but is Sogamoso City. Seleccione la opción A, descripción, escoja dos objetos, personas, partes de la casa o situaciones para construir 6 frases utilizando los comparativos vistos denominados puntos situaciones. 1. Today is colder than yesterday. 2. My car is never that you. 3. I am more intelligent than you. 4. She is more elegant than my wife. 5. He swims better than me. 6. His car is more expensive than my car. Thank so much and bye bye.